In this video, we're going to see how to track an address using the TrackMyRide application. To get started, navigate to the iheart.trackmyride.us website and click the Login button. Once you get to the login page, enter your username and password and click the Login button. Once logged in, you'll see a map display and all of your aircraft. Click the map pin at the top of the page. Enter the address where you wish to send the aircraft. Click the Locate button to locate the address on the map. You'll now see a map pin where the address is that you just entered. If you click the map pin, it will display the address that you entered. Click the device to which you wish to send the address to, in this case Sky 13, and click the Display Track Info button. Tracking information will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see the address that you entered, the latitude and longitude of the address, and most importantly the heading, which is the heading that the aircraft would need to steer to reach that address, and the distance, in this case 4.75 miles. If you wish to send the address to the aircraft, find the photographer's email address or user account in the Send To box, in this case Sky 13 Photog, and click the Send button. At this point, the map pin will display on the photographer's tablet along with the heading, latitude, longitude, and distance information, which can then be used to direct the pilot to that particular location. Remember, even if the photog cannot receive the map information, you can still direct them to the location by using the moving map, distance, and heading information displayed on your map. As long as you are able to see the aircraft moving on your map, you can still direct them to the scene. This concludes this video on how to send addresses to the aircraft.